Hey guys, this is Neetu and I'm warmly welcome to you all in our today's lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to share some tips or tricks to learn more than 1000 words which will definitely help you to speak English fluently. We are living in those era in which we all already aware about grammar. We have already learned it through the various sources. But we face little problem while speaking English fluently. For getting fluency, we'll have to learn more vocabulary, which not only give you fluency but also make your sentence more attractive. So let's start. Here are some words we use in our daily life. We can throw away these words from our vocabulary and use new words that have the same meaning but more attractive. Beautiful. We use this word for pleasing the senses or mind aesthetically. Here are some sentences with beautiful. So we will replace it with another word. You are looking beautiful in your profile pic. What a beautiful morning. This painting is so beautiful. She is as beautiful as her mother. And here are its replacement. You are looking arresting in your profile pic. What a appealing morning. This painting is magnificent. She is as ravishing as her mother. Next, amazing. Look at these sentences. It's amazing to see you here. The amazing discovery is made by Jay. You are looking amazing in this dress. You are an amazing person, Sachin, said Ravi. The next one is then. Look at these sentences. I ate a burger, then went to bed. She wasn't friendly with him then. Look at the replacement sentences. I ate a burger, next went to bed. She wasn't friendly with him afterward. The another word is that. We use it to indicate something. Look at these sentences. John is the son that has taken care of his parent. 2 baby birds were there that had not fallen out. Here are its replacement sentences. John is the son who has taken care of his parent. 2 baby birds were there which had not fallen out. The another daily use word is next. Look at these sentences. She got off at the next station. John will give a party next week. Choose your next words carefully. Here are its replacement. She got off at the following station. John will give a party upcoming week. Choose your succeeding words carefully. The another daily use word is small. Look at these sentences. I have a small charger. In seconds, a small script appeared. One stone was small, another was very small. Here are its replacement sentences. I have a pocket-sized charger. In seconds, a compact script appeared. One stone was microscopic, another was nanoscopic. Next, honestly. We used it to emphasize the sincerity of an opinion or feeling. Look at these sentences. He spoke honestly about the mistakes he had made. I can honestly say that I have never seen that man before. Officials counted the votes honestly. She honestly believes that she has been mistreated. Here are its replacement sentences. He spoke freely about the mistakes he had made. I can openly say that I have never seen that man before. Officials counted the vote truly. She sincerely believes that she has been mistreated. The another daily use word is just. Here are some sentences, look at it. Just an unexpected memory, I guess. It just happens to be the case with old car. Ah, that is just what I want, said the old man. Here are its replacement sentences. Utterly an unexpected memory, I guess. It completely happens to be the case with old car. Ah, that is exactly what I want, said the old man. So, this is the trick how to learn more than 1,000 words within a month. You just find out daily use words, replace it with its alternative and use it 3 times in a day. Hope this will help you. For previous lessons, you can check its link from the description box. If you like this session, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get upcoming updates. And don't forget to comment your opinion and share this video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.